All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it. Today, I'm going to show you how to remotely start climate control in Tesla using the Tesla app. First, we're going to select the climate icon in the Tesla app. Now, I'm going to demo all the functions here so you can see the possibilities with the Tesla app. Remember, you can also set some of these settings like temperature to activate at the same time every day or on specific weekdays. This is an awesome feature if you live in a place with hot summers or cold winters. I personally love it. I'll link to that video at the end of this one. By the way, if you really want to level up your Tesla Model Y experience, check out the links in the description. These are must-have accessories that will take your ride from good to epic. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description and upgrade your ride even further. See you in the next one.